Oh, hi, welcome back. I just did a video where we went through the data analysis tab. What you have in front of you here right now is the next module called Fetch XML Advanced Query tab. So what can you do with this query tab? As you can see underneath it, you can run data analysis and complex queries for business logic. It's kind of similar with the data analysis tab, but this particular tab uses fetch XML SQL syntax script, while the data analysis tab uses O data query tab query language. So let's move forward. As you can see in front of you here, we are in the fetch XML advanced query tab, where you can perform complex queries and business logic. What is the purpose of this particular tab? You can execute complex multi-table queries specific to Dataverse, and that is really a big feature for you. So what are the key features on this particular tab? We have number 1, 2, and 3 that I'm going to demo today. The first one is you can run fetch XML queries for detailed filtering and aggregation. So if you have whatever data there, you need to run different aggregates, you can use our application. The second bit there, you can run advanced O data queries with joins and expansions. Number 3, you can handle complex business logic how you like, how you prefer, including multiple tables how you wish. So what are the use cases? As you can see, complex reporting scenarios. There are lots of business projects I've been into, and I can tell you there are lots of advanced business logic that you need to create, and you can use our application to achieve this in Dynamics 365 in Dataverse as the back end. So you can perform multiple table data retrievals, which is a big plus. So how does it look? As you can see on your right hand side, I've gone through the environment, the CRUD operations, the environment, the CRUD operation. I've gone through the bulk, I've gone through data. Now we are in the Fetch XML Advanced Query tab. So the same like the other interface, you can select your environment here. All your tables will appear here. Before you can operate this section like the others, you need to select the table you wish to work on, and also the environment you wish to work on. Then you put your script here, your fetch XML script here, and you're good to go. And like always, you need to tell the application you like to run the particular query here. You need to click on this button and your result will show here. What can you do next? You can download the results as a CSV file or PDF, or you copy the data, or as you wish, view it in full screen for collaboration or for better view. Alright, so that's really a run through of what I'm about to show you in the next video, so stick with me. Alright.